Hey, hello guys, it's How to Tech Simplified, and in this easy tutorial today I'm going to show you how to actually convert a Word document to a PDF file. Now it's very easy. All you have to do is open up your browser and from there go to ilovepdf.com. Now it will take you to this website. It's a website with a lot of tools for PDFs. Now from there we go to convert PDF and convert the Word to PDF. Now, as you can see right here, we select the Word file and from there we drag it inside. And right here, it is our Word file and we convert it to PDF. Now here it will start to convert, and as you can see, we can download the PDF and it's downloaded as our PDF. Now that's it. It's very easy. If you still get any questions, leave them in the comments down below. I'll try my very best to help you. If this tutorial has helped you, please leave a like and subscribe. It helps me out a lot.